In industrial applications, every installation of a traditional flow meter often means pipe cutting, hot work, and unavoidable production shutdowns. But that's not all. Traditional flow meters also face three major challenges: reading drift, making long-term stable measurement difficult; limited pipe compatibility, supporting only 2 or 3 material types; media sensitivity, easily causing failure when switching fluids. No production shutdown, no pipe cutting, no material limitations, no media restrictions. Can stable and accurate measurement still be achieved? Feejoy FUM21 clamp-on ultrasonic flow sensor. No pipe cutting, no drilling, no pipeline draining, no shutdown required. Even ordinary technicians can complete installation effortlessly within 60 seconds. Zero contact with media, zero pressure loss in pipeline, no fluid contamination, no leakage risk. Non-contact measurement is FUM21's highest respect for industrial processes. From pure water and oil products to strong acids and strong alkalis. Supporting 10 mainstream pipe materials, with full coverage from DN8 to DN50. No material restrictions, no fear of challenging media. One FUM21 sensor can seamlessly integrate into your entire process. Plus or minus 1% full-scale measurement accuracy, 0.15% full-scale repeatability, 0.5-second ultra-fast response. Multiple signal output options are available to meet the requirements of all application scenarios. Awarded authoritative metrology certification, with both measured accuracy and repeatability meeting strict standards. 100% real flow calibration. Every unit undergoes rigorous factory calibration to guarantee measurement accuracy. Full view display, clear data visibility from any installation angle. In photovoltaic wet cleaning applications, even with small amounts of bubbles in the pipeline, FUM21 maintains stable measurement performance 45 days of continuous testing with 0 errors. For ultra-fast replenishment processes lasting only seconds, FUM21 delivers 0.5-second response time, controlling errors within 30 milliliters and reducing costs by 30% plus compared with imported products. Ready stock, fast delivery, 100% localized supply chain, core technologies independently controlled, no risk of supply disruption, 4-hour rapid response service, always on protection whenever you need it. The new FUM21 Plastic Series, born for highly corrosive environments. Full PPS rugged housing, built for photovoltaic and semiconductor wet processes. Small diameter models are now in full mass production. Full range measurement with outstanding linearity and uncompromising accuracy. Handles diverse pipe materials and media with industry-leading corrosion resistance. Breaking through imported benchmarks and redefining the new standard of high-end measurement. FUM21 clamp-on ultrasonic flow sensor.
Feejoy.